Hey everyone, I'm Jake, a solutions engineer here at Conductor, and in this video, I'm going to show you how our website monitoring platform can help you manage SEO risks during a site migration. Migrations can be pretty nerve-wracking as issues like broken redirects or lost metadata can seriously hurt your search traffic. You can't manually check thousands of pages, which is why we use Conductor's monitoring solution as our safety net. It's working 24/7 to catch issues as they happen, not days later. Some of these trended views we have, like page changes or issue changes in our dashboard here, are great examples of this. Anytime a page on your site is changed, added, redirected, or removed, that'll all be reflected here, and any corresponding issues, as well as monitoring when those issues are resolved, are tracked below. Everything is dynamic, so we can click through and see exactly what the changed pages were. You can hover over, and we'll actually show you the before and after. This gives you a complete audit trail. You can see exactly what changed, when it changed, and what it used to be, which is really a lifesaver for troubleshooting and ensuring every redirect is in place. And the best part is our real-time alerting. Let's say a critical product page returns a 404 error during your migration. Conductor will immediately flag it and send you an alert via an email, or you can even integrate messaging systems like Slack or Microsoft Teams. You can see here, thankfully we have no active incidents. You can see our past incidents, and there's a lot of flexibility to configure these alerts based on what you'd like to detect and who you would like to receive those alerts. So in a nutshell, Conductor's website monitoring takes the guesswork out of migrations, helping you stay in control and protect your SEO performance.